Peace Divines, welcome to Montauk Avenue, and I welcome you to my channel. And if you're new to this channel, welcome. As you can see in the title, I wanted to make a simple green juice. I have definitely made a green juice like this before. I just probably didn't add one ingredient, and that would be the watercress. Today we are going to make a lovely simple green juice that you can enjoy. And the first ingredient I am going to use the celery. Next ingredient, I am going to use some lemon, and I am going to keep the skin on it as well. I'm going to use some apples, and I'm going to use some watercress, and be sure to cut your watercress up. I will leave all the lovely tips and everything in the description as always. And I'm also using some lovely parsley, so be sure to cut your parsley up as well. And as always, I am using the lovely Huram H320 juicer, and that information will always be in the description as well. So I'm going to go ahead and put my apples in. I'm going to go ahead and put the lemon in. I'm going to go ahead and put the lovely watercress and parsley in. I'm going to go ahead and put the celery in. I'm definitely using a lot more celery, so I will add a lot more celery to this recipe, but for this video I will probably just add a little bit more just for this video. All right, and we are going to go ahead and juice this lovely green juice up, this simple green juice up. All right, and we have our lovely simple green juice, and it looks like it's a good 25 ounces or more, but let's see. All right, so it looks like we have a good 25 ounces or more here. I'm going to go ahead and strain this, and then we will try it together. So we have our lovely green juice, and I strained the lovely green juice, and we're going to try it. And remember, we use lemon, parsley, watercress, apple, okay? And yeah, we use lemon, right? And we use the parsley and the watercress and the apple and the celery. So let's try it. I definitely taste the lemon because I left the skin. I like to leave the skin, but if you don't want to leave the skin, you don't have to. And I taste the celery, and I taste a little bit of the apple, but I actually don't taste any watercress. I don't even taste any parsley. But again, I will leave all the information in the description on the amount of everything that I use for this lovely green juice. As always, I love and I miss my divines, and as y'all know, I love making these videos, so be sure to check out all my other juicing and smoothie videos. I definitely will be doing a lot of smoothie videos, and I will be doing plenty of more juicing videos. As always, I want you all to be well, be true to